March Madness Day 13. Today we're going to work on our hips a little bit more. So from this position, I'm going to set the challenge for Mariela to release one foot and bring it next to the same hand. So she's going to bring it forward and then she's going to take that leg back. Good. Then we're going to do the same on the other side. So you have to bring it up next to the hand. Good. And bring it back. So we'll do that 4 more times. So 4 and come back. And 3 and come back, and 2 and come back, and 1 more time and come back. Now she's going to do that 1 more time on each side, so bringing one leg through, Mariela, and now we're just going to gently rock. So again, you're going to start opening, think of taking that sitting bone back, and go as far as you feel comfortable, doing a little bit of a rock forward and back, opening up your hips in both directions. Beautiful. And then bring the leg back again when you're ready, and we'll go on to the other side. And we're going to go forward and back and forward and back and again and relax. Cool.